Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This video is a little bit different from my other videos. Usually I try to separate and every video, but this one is kind of an experiment and I'm kind of going to throw everything together in a very short amount of time. I also have been thinking about vlogging because I am teaching my daughter how to sew.
I sew throughout, my days, but my days are cut short, so I try to sew as much as I can each day. I also go to Savers, I go to thrift stores, just to try and find some fabrics, but I don't know.
Let me know if vlogging is something that you guys want to see. But anyways, let me go on with this video. So today I'm going to show you guys first what I sewed. So I sewed these shorts again, and then I'm going to show you guys like my little Savers haul. The reason why I go to Savers is because
I am teaching myself how to sew, and in the previous videos that I've shown, I have one video where I did like a fabric haul and I spent like $100 on fabric, but all the fabric that I used went to waste because, I mean, I think the only thing out of those $100, the only thing that really came out of it was my blue toaster sweater. Other than that, all the other fabrics that I spent money on, my money on, went to waste. So I was like, I can't be doing this. My husband was like, really? Really?
So I went to Savers and I went to go see if they had fabric one day, and they did. So now that's what I do. If I want to get inspiration and if I want to, kind of wake my sojo on, then I go to Savers and I look at stuff, and it's easier for me to look at fabric as opposed to looking at something and remaking it. Remaking it is awesome for those of you that can do it, but I get really overwhelmed. I overthink it, and everything that I've tried to remake ends up failing, except for the Joni jumpsuit that I remade. But even then it took me a while, so I really want to understand different fabrics, and the most affordable way that I can do that is through Savers, okay? I'm going to talk about the shorts, I'm going to talk about my Savers haul, and I'm going to show you guys what I made. And so let's talk about this. I have made this probably 4 times, and I cannot get it right. And it's very upsetting, but I'm very, very determined to get this right. You know what I mean? These shorts just look like they would be up my alley, and I'm wearing them right now. In the previous video, I showed that I made them to be too big, and I'll link that video somewhere, but I made them too big. So I went down a size, and I really took my time. I ironed the heck out of this, and I used scrap fabric, and you can see the pleats. And look at, I even learned how to put the pockets on properly. And it was great because it taught me how to attach the invisible zipper. I took it off because I made it I made them, so I took off the zipper and I reused it because I'm not about to waste a zipper on scrap. Okay? We are being resourceful, all right? And I made mistakes. Like on this one, I made a mistake. So I realized that while I was sewing it, I changed some things on how I was sewing, on how to sew it, so I would have a nice, clean finish. I went down a size. Like I said, I made these, and they were too small. So I originally cut these out in a size 14. And that was too big. So I went down to a size 12, and that was too small. And I'll show you guys a clip of what I fixed. I'll show you guys the clip. I'll just clip. So So now that you guys saw the clip, you guys saw that you guys saw how they fit. So they fit way too tight. And I added to what I cut. I added to the pattern. You know, I made them longer. And now they don't fit me. And I'll show you guys. I'll quit talking about it and I'll show you guys, okay? I feel like this part fits me nice. But then I turn around, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's always a pudge.
And I don't know if it's because, and look, it fits me too big. But when I made them in the other one, they fit me too tight. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know how to fix this.
So you guys just saw that, and I'm going to try again. I have enough fabric that I can try again, but I'm actually going to try and fix these. If I cannot fix these, then I will try again in a different fabric or the same fabric, because it is very cute. I think this would be perfect for the spring here in Arizona and the summer. And because I want to do a sew it till it's right with this pattern. I want to do a sew it till it's right episode, and it's taking me forever because I'm trying to get it right. So just be patient with me, okay? I will get it out. It's just, I need to get it right. I don't want to rush through it, and I don't want to get overly frustrated and give up. But I'm gonna conquer this sucker. I know I am. Now I want to talk about what I purchased at Savers. I actually, for the first time, I bought patterns over at Savers. And I'll show them to you guys now. I bought some pajamas. Maybe I could make both my son and my daughter some pajamas. It's $1, but this was 50% off. So this was 50 cents. I also bought a Very Easy Vogue. This is an orange tag, so it was 50 cents. It was on sale today. And I really like this. I would shorten it and maybe, I don't know how I would do this, but I thought this was really interesting, and maybe as I continue to teach myself how to sew, this would be a perfect pattern to tackle buttons, because I don't know how to put buttons on that well. This one, I thought this one was really interesting. This was $1. This was a green tag and it was not on sale, but if you, let me flip it around. You can do a crop top, a regular t-shirt, a pencil skirt, shorts, capris, or pants. And they have the measurements there. But look at the variety. I do want to do a capsule wardrobe. This year, I want to start in spring to tackle a capsule wardrobe. I'm hoping that I am skilled enough at that time to really push for a capsule wardrobe. This kind of set, I think this would be a great way to make a capsule wardrobe, and that's what I want to tackle. This is another one that was not on sale, but it was only $1, and it has a variety of shorts.
And I'm thinking before I make another one of these, I'm thinking of, you know, trying out this one. And I'll flip it over. Of trying this one out. Simply because maybe one pattern like taught me the invisible zipper and stuff, but maybe this one will teach me how to, this one or this other one, this one or this one.
This one did not have a price tag, but they only charged me 50 cents for it. They charged it as an orange tag. And I don't know if I have all the pieces, but I do have the instructions with it. But either this one or this one, I want to sew them both before I tackle this one again, if I cannot fix these. So if I don't fix these, if I end up ruining them and I'm not able to fix them, I'm going to tackle either both or one or the other so that I can see if these instructions are better than the Easy McCall's, and then if they are, then I can do a pattern review. But it's just really difficult. I don't know. I don't understand why it's been so difficult for me to get the right fit in these. And should I go down one more size? I don't know. I don't think that's the answer. You know what I mean? I do have a very, also because I've been working out and I'm doing my caloric deficit right now. Maybe I'm just losing weight and I don't weigh myself. Maybe I'm just, you know, losing inches, and maybe I need to measure myself again. I honestly don't know, but I can't get this right. But I will. I will. Okay? So that's it for the patterns. Now I'm going to talk about the fabric that I bought. All of these I got half off because all of them are orange tags, and I only got 3. This first one is priced at $3.99, but it's half off, so it's $4. So I got this for $2, and it's about 2 yards. But it's sewed together, and it's just stripes. You know, and I liked it because, again, it's, you know, spring is gonna come sooner than later here in Arizona, and I thought it was nice, fun, bright colors. Okay, so that's the first one. This second one I thought was fabric, but it's not fabric, but I'm gonna use it for fabric anyway. And it's priced at $5, but it was half off because of the orange tag, so it was $2.50. And I think it's some kind of scarf. See that? But it was in the fabric section, and I just think they got it confused. But I really like this. I really like this pattern, and I don't know what I'm gonna make with it. Maybe a blouse.
I got really inspired with this one, and I originally thought this pattern, I got really inspired with something like this. With something like this, I was like, oh, that's really cute. And that's why I bought it, because I thought that was a pattern. But then I flipped it over and I was like, oh no, there's just pants. There's just pants.
You know, so we'll see. Maybe I'll try to look for a pattern like that, but this is really, really pretty. The next one I just got, because there was a lot of it, and it's really light, and I kind of just got it more to continue to practice. And it's originally priced at $3, but it was again half off, so $1.50. And it's this, and there's 3 yards of this. You know, you can see through it. I have 3 yards of this, and it's pretty neat. It's kind of see-through and very, very light. We shall see what I make out of it, or what comes to mind. But that's it. I only got those 3 things because I didn't want to kind of go overboard, and there wasn't that much of a selection. Yeah, the last thing I got, it was not on sale, but it might as well be. The last thing I got, I actually found a cutting mat, and it is 23 by 18, and it's just perfect, like, and it's basically brand new, and it is a blue tag, so I did pay the full $5 for it. But these things are like 25 bucks, guys. Like, these are expensive, you know what I mean? So, guys, but other than that, thank you guys again for watching. Thank you for staying tuned to my videos. I'm really excited to upload them. Uploading these videos is something that I honestly enjoy, and something that, you know, something that I really look forward to. If you guys have any questions or anything at all, any advice for these shorts, please leave the comment down below, because I am low-key, high-key losing my mind, okay? But anyways, with that, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out these videos of mine, and it also lets me know. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Subscribe to your girl here, because le echo un chingo de ganas. Le echo ganas, guys. You know what I mean? So don't forget to subscribe too. Other than that, yeah. Bye.